Welcome, my name is Todd Hutchison, and in this session we're going to be looking at the legal project management tool called the Communications Management Plan. See, in the absence of information, people generally make up stories. For example, if you got back to your computer and there was a post-it note saying that the managing partner wanted to see you, does that mean you automatically think, finally they're going to give me a pay rise, finally I'm going to be recognised as a partner, or do you start panicking? See, in the absence of information, we tend to make up negative stories. And as a consequence of that, we can actually lose communications and sometimes relationships with clients and key stakeholders. So the Communications Management Plan allows us to identify upfront how much information we'll convey, when we're going to convey it, and who's going to do the work. That means that we agree up front what's too much and what's too little. If you do too much, you become like you're spamming people. If you do too little, then sometimes that issue of not getting the information, making up negative stories occurs. So what does the Communication Management Plan have in it? Well, it determines who is the key stakeholder, what information do they need, when do they need it, which is the frequency, in what format or medium will they get it, and of course, who's doing it. The Communication Management Plan allows us to make sure we're maintaining the key and agreed relationships and communications between all parties involved in the legal matter.